Meaning of fervently.
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 Fervently. Fervently is an adverb that describes the intensity or passion with which something is done. It implies a deep and sincere emotion, usually positive, such as enthusiasm, eagerness, or dedication. When someone does something fervently, they are fully committed to it and put all their energy and effort into it. The result of doing something fervently can be impressive and successful, as it reflects one's strong motivation and determination. However, it can also be exhausting or even overwhelming, as the intensity can lead to burnout or exhaustion if not managed properly.